Walking has long been celebrated as one of the simplest, most accessible forms of exercise, yet its profound effects on both physical and mental well-being are often underestimated. The notion of walking 10,000 steps daily has gained traction in recent years, transforming from a mere fitness trend into a lifestyle choice embraced by people around the globe. The journey of walking 10,000 steps each day is not merely a physical challenge. It is a holistic endeavor that intertwines the body, mind, and spirit. The origin of the 10,000 steps a day goal can be traced back to Japan in the 1960s. A pedometer called the Manpo-K, which translates to 10,000 steps meter, was marketed as a way to encourage people to move more. This catchy number captured the public's imagination, and over time, it evolved into a widely accepted benchmark for daily physical activity. The simplicity of the goal makes it appealing. It is straightforward and easily measurable, allowing individuals to track their progress and celebrate their achievements. Walking 10,000 steps daily translates to roughly 5 miles, depending on the individual's stride length. For many, this may seem daunting at first, but it is important to recognize that the journey begins with a single step. The beauty of walking lies in its versatility. It can be done almost anywhere, at any time, and requires no special equipment or gym membership. Whether it's a leisurely stroll in the park, a brisk walk through the neighborhood, or a trek along nature trails, the opportunities to accumulate steps are abundant. As one embarks on this daily walking journey, the initial focus may be on the physical benefits. Walking is a low-impact activity that can enhance cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles, improve balance, and promote weight management. Numerous studies have shown that regular walking can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension. The rhythmic motion of walking also stimulates the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, which can lead to a decrease in stress and anxiety levels. However, the benefits of walking extend far beyond the physical realm. As the feet hit the pavement, the mind begins to wander, and the world unfolds in ways that often go unnoticed amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Walking offers a unique opportunity for reflection and mindfulness. The act of putting one foot in front of the other can serve as a form of meditation, allowing individuals to clear their minds and focus on the present moment. The sights, sounds, and smells of the environment become more vivid, creating a sensory experience that enriches the soul. For many, walking becomes a time for introspection. As the body moves, thoughts flow freely, and solutions to problems may suddenly become clearer. The rhythm of walking can foster creativity, leading to new ideas and insights. It is no surprise that many writers, artists, and thinkers have found inspiration while walking. The simple act of disengaging from the distractions of technology and immersing oneself in nature or the urban landscape can ignite the imagination and spark innovation. Moreover, walking can be a social activity, providing opportunities for connection and community. Whether it's a leisurely walk with a friend, a family outing, or a group fitness challenge, walking fosters relationships and strengthens bonds. Conversations flow more easily when walking side by side, and the shared experience of moving together can create lasting memories. In an age where social interactions are increasingly virtual, walking offers a tangible way to connect with others and cultivate meaningful relationships. As one commits to walking 10,000 steps daily, it is essential to approach the journey with a sense of curiosity and playfulness. Instead of viewing it as a chore or rigid obligation, it can be embraced as an adventure. Exploring new routes, discovering hidden gems in the neighborhood, or venturing into uncharted territories can add excitement to the routine. Each step can reveal something new, whether it's a charming cafe, a vibrant mural, or a serene park bench perfect for a moment of rest. Incorporating walking into daily life can also be a creative endeavor. It can be woven into the fabric of everyday routines. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking to work if feasible, or parking further away from the store are simple yet effective ways to increase step count. Engaging in activities that naturally involve walking, such as hiking, dancing, or even playing with pets, can make reaching the 10,000 step goal feel less daunting and more enjoyable. As the days turn into weeks and weeks into months, the cumulative effects of walking begin to manifest. The body grows stronger, endurance increases, and a sense of vitality emerges. The initial struggle to reach 10,000 steps transforms into a sense of accomplishment, and the daily walk becomes a cherished ritual. It is not just about the number of steps taken, it is about the journey and the growth that occurs along the way. Challenges may arise, as they often do in any endeavor. Weather conditions, time constraints, or fatigue can pose obstacles to maintaining the daily walking routine. However, it is crucial to approach these challenges with resilience and adaptability. On rainy days, indoor walking options, such as malls or community centers, can provide alternatives. When time is limited, breaking the goal into smaller increments throughout the day can make it more manageable. The key is to remain committed to the practice while being flexible in its execution. In addition to the physical and mental benefits, walking can also serve as a powerful tool for personal growth. The discipline of committing to a daily routine fosters a sense of accountability and responsibility. It encourages individuals to prioritize their health and well-being, creating a foundation for other positive habits to flourish. As one witnesses the progress made through walking, it can inspire a ripple effect, motivating individuals to explore other areas of self-improvement, such as nutrition, sleep, and stress management. The impact of walking extends beyond the individual. It can also contribute to a more sustainable world. Walking is an eco-friendly mode of transportation that reduces carbon footprints and minimizes reliance on vehicles. By choosing to walk instead of drive, individuals can play a part in promoting a healthier planet. Communities that prioritize walkability often experience enhanced quality of life, with increased social interaction, reduced traffic congestion, and improved public health outcomes. As the journey of walking 10,000 steps daily unfolds, it is essential to celebrate the milestones along the way. Each step taken is a testament to commitment, perseverance, and self-care. Whether it's reaching the first 1,000 steps, completing a week of consistent walking, or achieving a personal record, these moments deserve recognition. Keeping a journal to document experiences, thoughts, and feelings can serve as a powerful reminder of the progress made and the lessons learned. In conclusion, walking 10,000 steps daily is more than just a fitness goal. It is a lifestyle choice that encompasses physical health, mental clarity, social connection, and personal growth. The journey invites individuals to embrace the simple act of walking, transforming it into a powerful tool for well-being. As each foot strikes the ground, a world of possibilities unfolds, encouraging exploration, reflection, and connection. The path may be long, but with each step taken, the rewards become increasingly evident. So, lace up those shoes and step into the adventure that awaits, for the journey of walking is one that enriches the body, mind, and spirit in ways that are truly profound. So, we've explored the incredible benefits of walking 10,000 steps daily. Are you ready to lace up your shoes and step into a healthier lifestyle? Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Health Tips 365 Global, and share it with your loved ones. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our latest videos on health and wellness. And stay tuned for the next video. There's so much more exciting content coming your way. Now, get up, take a walk, and enjoy every step. See you in the next video.